Hi, I'm Steve Monkley. Today I'm going to show you how to make delicious EasiYo yogurts using the EasiYo yogurt maker, designed for commercial kitchens. First, pour room temperature water into the outer pot of the yogurt maker to the fill line. You don't want chilled or hot water, just room temperature. Take the inner pot and pour room temperature water to a third up, then whisk in a whole bag of EasiYo yogurt base. I'm using the unsweetened Greek style today, but it's the same method for all EasiYo products. Mix thoroughly and make sure you're using the right size bag for your maker. This is a 1.2 kilo bag for this 6.5 kilo pot. This maker is great as you can swap out the pots for different sizes without needing to change to a different size maker. Continue whisking while topping up with more water until it's about 5 centimeters from the top. Then put the lid on the inner pot and gently lower into the outer pot. If you have added the correct amount of water, it should not overflow. Plug the EasiYo yogurt maker in, turn it on and press the start button. The timer will indicate the remaining time. When it reaches the end, just remove the inner pot and refrigerate until chilled. While that's going on, here are a couple of quick tips. Don't start the yogurt maker without water in the outer pot. Make sure your yogurt maker is positioned in an area where temperatures do not fluctuate, like away from cold, drafty or hot areas, as that could affect the water temperature. After 8 hours, the yogurt was set beautifully, and I then chilled it for a couple of hours in the fridge. You can leave it longer to set, up to 24 hours before refrigeration, for a tartar tasting yogurt. But after 8 hours, it has already developed into a creamy, smooth, thick yogurt with nothing artificial. You may notice some bubbles have formed on the top. You can simply stir these in before serving. Here are some examples how to enhance and present the EasiYo yogurt product with muesli, fruit, nuts, puree and some toppings. EasiYo. Give it a go.